Hey there, house hunters. Victoria here, and today we're going to be tackling a spicy topic: buying a home without a real estate agent. It sounds wild, right?
Wow, that is crazy.
Well, stick around because there might be a method to this madness. First up, let's chat about the elephant in the room, the recent NAR settlement. Here's a quick breakdown. The National Association of Realtors has been a dominant force in the U.S. real estate industry for over a century. Historically, the NAR set rules and practices that became industry standards, including how real estate agents like myself would be paid. Traditionally, home sellers would pay a commission of about 5 to 6% of the home sale price, which would be split between the seller's agent and the buyer's agent. This practice was formalized in the NAR's rules, which required listing brokers to make a blanket offer of compensation to buyer's brokers. In 2019, multiple class action lawsuits were filed against the NAR. The lawsuit alleged that the NAR's rules kept commissions artificially high.
That guy is ripping us off.
In November 2023, the NAR agreed to a $418 million settlement. Now, why should you care about all this? Well, this might change how you buy or sell a home. For buyers, you've basically been handed a get out of commission free card, which allows you more wiggle room to negotiate your fees or even go agent free. So, should you buy a home without an agent? Let's start with the pros of buying a home without an agent. The first one is cost savings. Without an agent, you might be able to negotiate a lower price since there's no longer an agent commission to factor in. The second one is direct communication. You now have direct communication with the seller and the listing agent, which can sometimes lead to a smoother and faster process. The third one is control. You're now in the driver's seat for all the decisions and negotiation, removing that middleman. And the fourth one is flexibility. You can now view homes on your own schedule without having to coordinate with an agent. I know this all sounds fantastic, but it's not all smooth sailing. Here are some cons I want you to consider. The first one is a time commitment aspect. You have to now research, schedule showings, and handle all the paperwork, and this can be very, very time consuming. The second one is your lack of expertise. You might miss out on an agent's market knowledge and negotiation skills. The third one is limited access. Some properties and databases are only accessible to licensed real estate agents. The fourth one is the legal risk involved. Without proper guidance, you might overlook important legal considerations or disclosures. Is buying a home solo the right option for you? Ask yourself these questions. Do you have significant time to dedicate to the process? Are you comfortable with complex negotiations? Are you comfortable with legal documents? Do you have a good understanding of your local real estate market? Are you detail-oriented and able to handle extensive paperwork? If you're nodding yes to all these questions, you might be ready to go agent-free. If you're shaking your head, don't worry about it. Here's the great news. Throughout this whole entire web series, we're gonna dive deeper into every single one of these areas. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a complete novice, we're going to equip you with the knowledge and tools to tackle each aspect of the home buying process. We're going to cover topics such as mastering negotiation without resorting to having to arm wrestle, understanding market trends beyond binge watching house hunters, navigating paperwork like a pro, or at least without crying. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all answer, but with comprehensive guidance we'll provide in the upcoming episodes, you'll be more than prepared to choose the path that best fits your needs and abilities. And there you have it, folks. Today, we've successfully covered the game-changing NAR settlement. We weighed the pros and cons of buying a home without an agent, and we asked a lot of the tough questions to help you decide if you're ready to make the move of buying a home without an agent. Until next time, I'm Victoria signing off, and I want you to go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button if you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.